Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video we're gonna be talking about just stock market update, but I'm gonna be naming it something about Acreage Holdings because Acreage Holdings seems to get a lot of traffic. So I'm gonna name it Acreage Holdings a title from Acreage Holdings. Anyways, let's begin. So I just wanted to share a little bit about my revenue. It seems to have stabilized at $1,215.60. I have to work extremely hard. I have to release 2 videos every day just to sustain it at this price. Views gone down quite a bit. Business is tough, but I'm determined to keep going. Every dollar to me matters. Kind of, maybe. I don't know, really. Oh, it helps. It really does help. Especially the stock market mastery course. By the way, I left the Black Friday code all weekend and I got 0 subscribers. I got no new subscribers for my stock market mastery course. Business also slowing down here. I think anybody who wanted to join would already join, and these other people are just, I don't know, think I'm a scam and don't want to join, or they just don't think the service is worth it. I don't know. Who cares? I guess at the end of the day, the stock market mastery course and my YouTube channel is just an assistance. It's not really gonna get me there. I think it's gonna be more towards my skills of a trader and finding my next big investment, which I think I'm doing pretty well on right now. So I just need Aurora stock to recover, and then my account will be back to like really nice again. But I'm doing pretty good on my corporate account. At least I found some pretty good decent stocks lately. Been diversifying, so that's good sign. I'm not blessed like Graham Stephan. He got a viral video not too long ago, unboxing of $10 million invite credit card only, and he got $26,580 in 1 month. No, yeah, in 1 month. 1 month of revenue, he got $26,580. That's insane. That's US dollars, by the way. So that's a lot of money. YouTube just made it rain on him. And, he's blessed. And then on top of that, he's a real estate millionaire. So, I don't know. I don't think a real estate will ever get, like I think a person that deals in the stock market and a person deals in the real estate, I think the stock market will win at the end of the day versus the real estate. But yeah, because you don't get like Mr. Warren Buffett real estate man. I mean, Donald Trump got close. He's a real estate person. But he's a billionaire. But he's not like Warren Buffett status. Warren Buffett grew from nothing. Donald Trump got $1 million from his dad. So what Warren Buffett did is something that Donald Trump can't. Nobody can do in real estate. Nobody can get as rich as Warren Buffett using real estate. Only the stock market can reward you that nicely, in my opinion. Acreage Holdings. Oh, and I can't wait to meet Stan Griffin when I go to Vegas. This weekend. I'm very excited for that. I'm hoping maybe I give him some spicy noodles and then he films it and I can release it on my YouTube channel. I'm hoping that'd be nice. Acreage Holdings to acquire, so let's actually get onto the stock news. All the stock market stuff. Acreage Holdings to acquire Michigan real estate portfolio ahead of cannabis license. You guys can read this for yourself, but good news. Stock went up today a little bit, but still it went up. So it was up a lot higher in the morning, and then it kind of just recorrected itself, but it's up because of that news. I'm definitely up on my position on Acreage Holdings. I could sell off a little bit and play the volatility. I don't know. Acreage Holdings is like one of my long-term play, and 1,200 shares doesn't seem like enough to me. I don't know. If I do decide, I know my members will. If I do decide to sell some Acreage holdings, my members will definitely know if I do or not. No, Kata. Let's talk about Kata. C-A-T-A. Kata. It's a name I made up. So let's start off with Canopy. In the morning, Canopy had a nice run up, and now it's going back down to the downtrend. Aurora kind of did the same thing. Nice run in the morning, and now it's down 790. I could have sold it in the morning, and I could have rebought at 790 or even lower. But I didn't know what direction the stocks were going today, so I could have sold, and I could have been kicking myself when it went up even higher. Tilray. Tilray makes no sense, but Tilray is like Netflix, makes no sense. No, Tilray was up in the morning, corrected itself, ran back up, and correcting itself again. Afria, was up in the morning, and now it's correcting itself. The weed market is down today. Down the garbage today. Oh well. I'm bringing up Canopy. That's the end of the Kata. I'm bringing up Canopy growth is because if you look at the market cap, 11.318 billion, and the market cap of Tilray, 10.78. Canopy already has its price correction with the dilution. When it came to the US one also had a fix too. But if you compare the US version, Canopy Growth has $5 billion or $4 billion in cash, while Tilray does not. Tilray has $400 million in cash, and Tilray market cap is only like $30 million away from, or $500 million away from Canopy's market cap. That's not right. But at the end of the day, Tilray does not make sense. Tilray is backed by super billionaires. All they care about is pumping up their stock and making people who are shorting their stock sweat balls. That's my opinion only. I don't know for sure. AMD was up today. Let's see where it is now. Ooh, down. In the morning, if I had my margin account and I could short stocks, I would have been totally shorting the stock right here at 20 bucks because I woke up in the morning. I'm like, ooh, look, AMD's in the range of shorting. Microsoft, Microsoft is up today. $8.11 billion. So very close to Apple's market cap. Where's my? $8.21 billion. They are like literally $10 billion away from each other. Apple did have a nice run up in the morning, and now it's kind of crashing. I can't believe this. Like, people just want to sell out of Apple. I mean, big investors, institutional investors don't believe in Apple anymore. And apparently people still believe in Microsoft. I don't know. I mean, the Microsoft shareholders are way more, they love their company more than that they love Apple. That's my guess. I would totally still short out Microsoft because I think Microsoft should be a lot lower, especially if Apple's heading in that direction of 150, 160. I believe that Microsoft should be like down to like the $100 or even lower. Like I say, like 80 bucks. Like I say 80 bucks would be a good price for Microsoft if Apple had a correction. Tesla. Where's Tesla today? Tesla's up and away. Like, I'm happy, but I would rather see the stock on the 300 so I can buy it for cheap. Maybe I should just buy it now. Nah, I got other stocks I want to buy with my money, like Apple. If it drops down lower, I would rather have Apple drop down lower than go up. Honestly, I would love to see the stock at like 150. I could sell it now, but I honestly believe that would be wrong. I think that this stock will bounce back to like 178. We'll see though. we'll see before it really has its correction. Because I still believe Apple's in the oversold territory, because it's like all it has been doing is declining for the past month. So I mean, I think it should. Well, I guess it had a nice rise right here, and then now it's just like for the past 5 days, it's been just past 6 days, it's just been declining. It had a bounce today, but it's not very strong. But I do believe that, you know, maybe some good news is heading Apple's way and or the stock market way, because I heard that this week is gonna be a very interesting week for the stock market. So I'm gonna gamble the fact that Apple will recover in stock price a little bit this week. So I'm gonna hold on to my shares, and if I lose money, I lose money. I lose money on Apple. It's not that big of a deal. It might be a big deal, but whatever. Who cares? I'm gonna take the gamble. I'm gonna gamble on Apple recovering a little bit before I sell off. Wayland had some news today. Wayland to acquire the Thermos Pharma to enter UK cannabis market. They used their stock to acquire 51% of this UK based pharma Ltd company to import cannabis to the UK. Because, you know, Wayland has a EU GMP certified facility, so they can ship their product to Europe. Right? Yeah. That's what makes them a valuable company. And how did the stock market treated Wayland stock today? Up 5%. Should be up a lot higher, but it's only up 5%. Oh, whatever. That's good, I guess. So last thing I'm gonna end off is on Bitcoin. This guy, when Bitcoin is around 8,000 US dollars, this guy came on and he's like, I'm not gonna buy Bitcoin until it dropped to 4,000. And now that it dropped down to 4,000, he comes on and he's like, hey, you know what? Bitcoin dropped way too fast. I'm gonna hold off a little bit longer. So, you know, when this guy buys Bitcoin, I'll buy Bitcoin. I'm just saying, you know. Well, I might consider buying Bitcoin. I might buy Bitcoin when it hits 2,000 US dollars, just for fun, like one Bitcoin. How could it hurt? I guess, you know, at the end of the day I could lose $2,000, but yeah, Bitcoin right now is 3,725 US dollars. That's crazy. Like, just a steep slope down, with some bounces and some recovery, but it's just consistently going down. And I feel sorry for all the people who are Bitcoin bulls, the cryptocurrency bulls. They must be like, I'm hurting so much right now. I'm losing all my money. At least that's what I'm thinking. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Subscribe for future updates, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Bye.